Wouldn't that be something that you did?
Did you find that bed stretcher yet?
Oh, Sam.
Hold up. Shh.
Sam, you're gonna get snatched.
In her snatch.
Hold on. Caroline, did you get the bed stretcher?
From here, it sounds like different stretches.
I can't stretch the truck bed out unless you get the bed stretcher. You getting it? Okay. It's in the corner, right?
A little difficult.
I'm going to get my truck bed stretched out with a bed stretcher. This is fucking awesome. It's going to go from a 6 foot to an 8 foot.
Boozies? No.
You find it yet? You found the bed stretcher? All right, thank you. Let me see it. And make sure you got the right tool.
Hey.
That was Blue picking on him for no reason.
Sam? No. She wants to be left alone, respected. Hey!
Apparently,
I said leave her alone.
apparently Caroline found the truck bed stretcher
Yeah.
over in the corner of the garage.
Just pull it out.
Oh, she's supposed to be coming out with it. Len's right there.
Caroline!
Len's
you
right
got
there
it?
waiting. Love you, Caroline.